In this video, I'm going to be sharing a 5-minute guided meditation for gratitude. Gratitude can help us, especially if we're focusing on cultivating it continuously, to counteract our brain's natural negativity bias. And also, it can help us to find emotional stability and peace over time. My name is Sabrina Joy. I'm a certified aromatherapist, yoga instructor, meditation coach, and integrative nutritional coach. And my specialty is helping ambitious women manage the stress that they have to carry every day. If you want to see more tips about stress and holistically healthy living, including sustainable living tips, be sure to hit the subscribe and the notifications to get a heads up whenever new videos come out. Wherever you're at, make sure you find a comfortable place to sit. Usually I like to sit on my meditation cushion, but today I'm here on my couch because I know more people have a couch than they have a meditation cushion. Make sure that you come to the edge of your couch. So your bum should be just on the very edge of the cushion itself on your couch. And make sure that your knees are a little bit lower in space than your hips are. This will help you to have a nice long spine while we're sitting here together. You can place your hands at your heart center, but I find that it's a lot more restful to just place them on the tops of your thighs, but do what feels good to you. Wherever you're at, make sure that it's somewhat quiet and you won't be disturbed for the next several moments. Find a restful seat. Sit up tall. Imagine that there was a string tied to the top of your head, gently pulling up to the ceiling to find length between your vertebrae. Take a couple of breaths just to begin to become aware that you're sitting, that you're here in this space, and let yourself settle into your body. Gently bring to mind something that you're grateful for. This can be a person, a place, a tool you use in your daily life, an experience that you had recently, and hold that in your mind's eye. Think about this thing that you are grateful for and all of its details. When you look at it, what do you see? What is the colors that come to mind? Is there anything that you can smell? Whether it's a person, a tool, an experience, a place. Just draw into your heart and mind all of the different sensory elements of this thing that you're grateful for. And as you think of all of these important elements of this beautiful thing in your life, turn your attention to how you feel. Maybe you feel a gentle warmth in your heart space. Maybe an opening up in your mind. A soft pressure in your belly, gentle and comforting. Whatever gratitude manifests itself as in your body, just become aware of that. Focus all of your attention on the warm glow of gratitude wherever it may settle. And take a couple of deep breaths into that space. Now imagine that wherever the gratitude has manifested itself in your body, that from there the gratitude might be able to spread. Maybe you feel that warmth or the glow or the comfort gently move throughout your body as you sit and breathe until it envelops you in your space. Gentle humming gratitude. holding this sensation of gratitude in your body. Now that you've imprinted on your mind what gratitude feels like, think of something lately that you would struggle to be grateful for. Maybe a challenge in your life, a person or a place or an experience that has acted as an obstacle for you. And as you think of that, notice the sensations that begin to arise and gently turn back to that sensation of gratitude. Imagine you could kindle it for yourself, even while thinking about something that traditionally you might not be grateful for, you might not say thanks for. And hold these two things in your body, not in duality, but in noticing the body's ability to rewire your brain, to find comfort in the challenge, gratitude in an obstacle. And just breathe for several moments, thinking gently of this being or experience that might be tricky for you to sit with, while holding gratitude in your space, in your heart. And gently release the obstacle you're holding. Return back to the sensation of gratitude in your body. We'll take several deep, full breaths here, just soaking up this gratitude. And if you'd like, maybe you think of one more thing in our last few moments together that makes you smile, that brings you happiness, that you're grateful for. Release your concentration on this thing that you feel grateful for, this person, being, place. Release your concentration on cultivating that sensation of gratitude. Gently allow your body to return back to neutral, to that space of equanimity. And if you feel any residual glow or warmth from the gratitude, don't push or shove it away, just let it settle into you. Take one more breath here. And gently blink your eyes open. Thank you so much for sharing that quick little meditation with me. It's totally not a traditional meditation by any means, but I think that it is really, really valuable to become aware of how emotions, including gratitude, manifest themselves in your body. This helps you to regulate your emotions with a little bit more ease, and also can help you to add and subtract emotions from your experience, right? So the more that you learn and practice this meditation to cultivate gratitude, the more you'll be able to do so even in situations that don't automatically make you feel super thankful and have that wonderful glow and just joyous feeling, and be able to find equanimity and grace and thanks for things that are challenging for you sometimes. Thanks so much for spending time with me. I know it is your most valuable resource. Make sure to hit the bell notification below to get your notifications when videos come out, and to subscribe. And let me know in the comments section what you were thinking of. What was the thing that was making you grateful? If you love this meditation, or if this is your first time entering in a meditation, or if you're a returning meditator, I have a wonderful tool for you, and that is my 5 free guided meditations that you can get at the link in the description below. All of them come straight into your inbox. They're downloadable. You can listen to them on any device that plays audio forever and ever. They are yours once you insert your email, and they'll come to you once a day for 5 days with instructions. 5 different types too. So I always use this with my stress management clients just to try and help folks figure out what type of meditation fits you best.